I love the hat. Is this hat number 3 out of 5? Number 2. 5. Woo! 3 more hats. Guatemala. Egypt. Gorgeous Guatemala. Guatemala is giving me Tracy Ellis Ross, the daughter of Diana Ross. Vanessa! We're twinning, Vanessa! Maria, Moldova! Hi, Maria! Hong Kong! Beautiful girls. Indonesia! Give us a third, Maria. Gorgeous. Beautiful, Maria. We have Hong Kong. Indonesia. Gorgeous. Stanley. And we have France. France, it's giving Moulin Rouge vibe here. It's Moulin Rouge vibe. The cabaret and everything. It feels like home. Indonesia. Oops. You move. Fearless. You move. Beautiful. Indonesia. It's giving. Tourne, s'il te plaît. Tourne. Bravo. Très belle. Beautiful color. Thank you, France. Jamaica. Moulin Rouge. Hi, Guadeloupe. Obeli. El Salvador. I love the feather. I love the outfit. Guadeloupe, c'est comme Moulin Rouge. Oui. El Salvador, beautiful. The feathers are feathering. And now we have the gorgeous Dominican Republic. Next is we have Miss Ecuador. I can say that Nadia is really stunning. The Mrs. Webb is webbing. Gorgeous. I love the rock and roll vibe, like you're attending the Grammys. One of the best dress, Haiti. Best dress. You can count on Haiti for delivering glamour. Beautiful.
Haiti, wow.
That dress. Haiti. We can start counting. 78. 79. Haiti! Greece! Give us a turn, Miss Greece. Gorgeous. Look at that dress. Miss Greece, give us a turn. Gorgeous. Congo. And we have Namibia. Gorgeous. We have the gorgeous Nicaragua, who's looking iridescent. The red carpet is lit, ladies and gentlemen. Look at these beautiful gowns. Gorgeous. And let me remind you, they will be changing their clothes up to 3 times today. Okay? The rest of the girls are there, waiting for their red carpet moment. Pinuntahan po ng KMJS. Fatima, arriba, arriba, andale, andale. Give us a turn. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And Peru, the beautiful goddess. Baby. Gorgeous. We have Miss Martinique. The Tribel Cherie. Martinique. Gorgeous. Pakimay na lang po. Mauritius. Hi, Mayon. Tretreminyong. Tumimong, Cherie. Now we have the Sleeping Beauty arriving. Miss Rwanda. Hi, Kimi. Kimi. Apam. Si Kimi, meron na siyang badge. Meron ka na, Mi? Ikaw, meron ka na? Yung isa, wait. Ikaw, wait, meron na. Okay, that's good.
Kazakhstan! Huwag mo akong sasaktan! Kazakhstan!
Albania! New Zealand! Gorgeous! Yay! Enjoy today's show. See you inside, okay? Camila! Bom dia! Portugal kitang hinintay.
Portugal!
Portugal.
Portugal! Maganda ka! Maganda ka! Maganda ka!
Camila, say Portugal kitang hinintay.
Lebanon!
Lebanon,
Pakistan!
Pakistan, Lebanon's face, beautiful all the time.
There's Norway!
Yeah. We have Miss Norway. And coming right up is Xin Chao, Vietnam. Cote d'Ivoire. We have... Okay. Sorry. Look at Miss Myanmar. We have Bina. Beautiful. I love the hair. You're giving us Ariana Grande moment. Bina, sponsored by Stabilo Boss.
Sino yun? Leon? Sino yun?
Turks and Caicos.
US Virgin Islands.
We have U.S. Virgin Islands.
Espanya!
Masikip, U.S. Virgin Islands.
Sumabog sa akin pero
Spain. Sri Lanka, wearing the colors of her flag. Turn. Sri Lanka. Give us a turn, Miss Sri Lanka. Turn.
Marie Angola, you're so beautiful.
Gorgeous, Miss Sri Lanka. Gorgeous girls. Look at these girls.
St. Lucia.
Angola, St. Lucia, Tanzania, USA.
US Open. Hello.
Gorgeous Miss Eckhart. Dzień dobry. Poland. We have South Africa in polka dots.
South Africa.
Maligayang bagong taon, Miss South Africa. Zimbabwe,
Zimbabwe.
Nigeria, and Senegal. We have these three beautiful black Barbies. Beautiful.
Oh! It's Saturday.
Bolivia.
Thank you so much. Bolivia. Bolivia. Di pa nakakautot. Kuya, uyan, di ang gulo.
We have Sweden, my girlfriend.
Sweden.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, Bolivia, Bolivia. Oh my God. Thank you for celebrating us.
We have Miss Russia. From Russia with love. Espasiba, Russia. We have Miss Serbia.
Serbia.
Singapore.
Serbia.
Next to Singa 3 is Singapore.
Singapore.
Yes. Ukraine and the Netherlands. Gorgeous Miss Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Gorgeous. Ooh. Next is Miss Palestine.
Palestine. Miss Palestine.
Next to Miss Palestine is the cheering squad. Latina.
Palestine.
Gorgeous Miss Latina. Yamalex is giving this still number. Beautiful. Miss Philippines is coming soon. There. We have Paraguay. The bolero is boleroing. Beautiful.
Yani. One more. One more.
This beautiful girl, look. Trinidad and Tobago.
Yani.
Gorgeous. Miss Malta. Malta is giving me Gossip Girls Blair Waldorf. Gorgeous.
Trinidad and Tobago.
So all of the girls are here. Malaysia
Malaysia through Asia.
and Pilipinas. Representing the Uber Republic of the Philippines. Look here, Atisa.
Walang ulas.
Atisa, ikot. Atisa here. Atisa, ikot. Give us a turn.
Hindi tayo mahuhulas. Ganon.
We have Miss Romania. Gorgeous. Give us a turn. Beautiful. We have Miss Zambia.
Hindi tayo siya mahuhulas sa atin.
Philippines is there. Equatorial Guinea, beautiful in avocado green. Gorgeous. We have 28, 29, Turkey.
Wala tayo sa ano.
Turkey, what is the significance of
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico?
Puerto Rico.
Gorgeous Puerto Rico. And Venezuela. Stephanie Abasali.
Venezuela!
Giving this gold armor fantasy. Give us a third, Stephanie. Shh. Beautiful, expensive, chic. Israel and Ireland. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yes, she's giving the bracelet. Thank you. Give a Pam Hunter. The sexy lady there.